Episode 4 Chiefs of Staff. Expanding your horizon pan homework leo Tuni episode lina again ning to ben Chiefs of Staff ahi. Abesa episode they are again sate tem again kikding hilehang. U.S. Department of Defense DoD pen Secretary of Defense khutnoi oma Army, Air Force, Navy bangin Military Department thum hi Military Department khachiat zong Army Secretary, Navy Secretary le Air Force Secretary in Service Secretaries te khutnoi chiat hi Tuni in Chiefs of Staff galka mang pite again leo din hi Army Chief of Staff Army pen 4-star General galka mang pipa in hi to galka mang pipa pen Army Chief of Staff kichi hi Army Chief of Staff pen the Secretary of the Army khutnoi hi Army Chief of Staff in the Secretary of the Army tunga report apia hi Air Force Chief of Staff Air Force Chief of Staff pen U.S. Air Force songa alien pen galka mang pipa ahi Air Force Chief of Staff pen the Secretary of the Air Force khutnoi hi Air Force Chief of Staff in the Secretary of the Air Force tunga report apia hi Chief of Naval Operations Navy pen 4-star Admiral Twigal Kap Mang Pipa in hi Tua Twigal Kap Mang Pipa pen Chief of Naval Operations kichi Chief of Naval Operations pen the Secretary of the Navy khutnoi hi Chief of Naval Operations in the Secretary of the Navy tunga report apia hi Commandant of the Marine Corps pen 4-star General Marine galka mang pipa in hi Tua Marine galka mang pipa pen the Commandant of the Marine Corps kichi Commandant of the Marine Corps song pen the Secretary of the Navy khutnoi hi Commandant of the Marine Corps in the Secretary of the Navy tunga report apia hi Tuni tua za to khol bol pot leo ni vek pi tunga kilungdam ma hi